Hello, Yamina Collins here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick Winter Wonderland eye makeup tutorial for those who want to have fun during the winter. So let's get started. I have already put on my foundation, so I'm using the Laura Mercier Setting Powder Medium Deep just to prep my skin and prepare it for the eyeshadow, pretty much as a primer. That's what I use it for. And then I'm using the Viseart's Warm Neutrals palette to lighten up my eye area. First under my eyes so that the face paint can pop off of it, and then under my eyebrows just so that I can open my eyes and make them nice and bright and big. And then I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara just to prepare my lashes so that they blend in well once I add my fake lashes on. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our eyeshadow palettes. The Viseart Warm Neutrals does not name their colors. I'm just using the lightest color that works well for my skin. And then I'm going to use a darker brown as a crease color. And yes, you did see that most of that eyeshadow palette is pretty much gone. I've used it to death. I've got to get a new one. But that's what I'm using nonetheless for this tutorial. And I'm just blending. Then I'm going in for the face paint, the Wolf FX Art face paint palette, and I use black as my eyeliner. I pretty much use this as eyeliner every day because of the longevity and the price. Yeah, so we're starting off with black. And then we're going to go in with some royal blue, and I just use as thin a paintbrush as possible, either a thin paintbrush or a thin makeup brush. And then I'm adding the blue-green on top of that royal blue. In another video I explain how I prep the face paint with, I'm using white here, how I prep the face paint with the Maybelline setting spray just to get it, get the palette sort of activated. And I'm using white on top of the blue-green, and I'm going ahead and just cleaning up the top of the eyes, and that's how it looks. And for eyeliner underneath my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. I don't like to use liquids under the eyes because it gets into my eyes and it stings a little bit. So I'm using Urban Decay first, and then I add on the Wolf FX Art face paint in black just to continue along that line. And then I'm using royal blue just along the base of that black because I want to sort of brighten up the under eye area. And then I'm going ahead once again with the blue-green color in the corner of the eyes and on top of the where the bottom part of the winged liner ends under my eye here, as you can see. And just adding a little more royal blue so the blue can really pop. And then I'm just cleaning up the corner of my eyes with some more of the Viseart palette because I'm trying to lighten up that that outer eye area. And then adding on a little bit of white. And this helps the eye area just to pop a little bit more. It's popping at the top, but it needs to pop at the bottom as well. So I'm adding some white. And then I'm putting on my fake eyelashes, my split eyelash technique. I take the lashes, split them in half, add them on with some black glue. Then I'm using the Pat McGrath Fever Dream as the inner color of my lips, and then the Pat McGrath Elson as the sort of lip liner outer darker color. And that's it. It's that simple. That is my Winter Wonderland Exaggerated Fun Eye Makeup look. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.